Today I'm checking out this night vision by Duovox. This is a 2K infrared night vision. We're going to just kind of look at it here in the daylight, and then tonight I'm going to come back out and see how well it does. You can take pictures with it, you can take video with it, or you can just use it to see what's going on at night. It's been real dark out here lately, so tonight should be a great night to test this. Right now, we're just gonna do the unboxing, and like I said, I'll come back out tonight and we'll see how this thing actually does. Comes in a nice carrying case. There's a charging cable. It's a strap for the carrying case. And then you also have the night vision goggles itself. And there is a micro SD card to do video recording. The micro SD card goes in over here. This little switch is how you turn on and off the video. Then you have zoom in, zoom out, your IR levels, so you can increase or decrease them to get your picture dialed in the way you need to. And then of course your menus and modes and your power button right here on the top. You have the focus for your night vision here and your LCD viewing screen. So that's what it looks like. You just view it like that and check out what's going on wherever you are at night. We'll come back after dark and see how well this thing works. Now we're checking out the night vision. You can see my barn and the woods at the back of my property. There's a gate in the fence and some old fence over here. Just kind of looking around. Night vision's doing well. There's my chickens hanging out in their coop. And look at those birds for just a second. And then we pan back across my yard. As I would hoped, I didn't find anything else moving, but you can see my barn and a little trailer back there. And that's the night vision. So if you're wanting to check out a good night vision, I would check this one out.